Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi you all. Okay, our topic for today is whole numbers and operations, okay, which is we will look at recognize and write numbers. Okay, let's look at our learning objective, which is in the end of the lesson, you will be able to state numbers up to 1 million. And our success criteria, you will be able to read any number in words. Okay, first. Second, you will say any number in numerals. And last, you will be able to write numbers in numerals and words. Okay, so let's look at this situation. Okay, so we have number of domestic passengers handled in arrival and departure. Okay, we have Langkawi International Airport. We have been Tulu Airport, Tawau Airport, and Miri, okay, Miri Airport. So the question is, what is the number of passengers at Langkawi International Airport? Okay, so we focus at this one. Okay, Langkawi International Airport. So you can see the number given, and you have to learn how to say the number. Okay, how to say the number. Okay, let's look at this. So I write the number in the place value box. Okay, so we have 100,000s, we have 10,000s here. Okay, we have thousands, we have hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So how to say the number for the passenger for the Langkawi International Airport? We start it from 100,000. Okay, we start it here and say it as 602,000. Okay, 602,000. 337. Okay, 337. Okay, and how to write it in words? Okay, see, so we spell it like this. Okay, 602,000, then 337. Okay, we divide it into two parts. Okay, so the first part is until 1,000. Okay, until 1,000 here, and the second part here is 337. Okay, the first part 602,000, and the second part we say it as 337. Okay. Okay, let's look at next. Okay, B. We look at the number of passengers at Bintulu Airport. So the boy say it as 200,339. So is it correct? Betul ke dia sebut as 200,339? Okay, so let's focus at these numbers. Okay, I told you that we have to say the number by parts. Okay, we divide it into parts. So the first is we stop at 1,000. Okay, and the second part is next. Okay, so first we have 200,000. Okay, we have 2 at 100,000, and we have 0 at 10,000 and 0 again at 1,000. So the first part we have 200,000, and the second part we have 339. So this boy said it wrong. Okay, then you have to say it as 200,339. Okay, and don't forget the word and. Okay, jangan lupa ada perkataan and tu mesti ada. When you write it in words, so awak kena complete sentence tu kena ada and. Okay. Okay, next we look at this. Okay, the number given in words. Okay, so let's write the number in numeral. Okay, a group of architects use 542,000 Lego blocks to build a mini model of the Petronas Twin Towers at Legoland. Okay, so we focus at this, the words given. Okay, the number given in words. Okay, here. Okay, 542,000. Okay, so we have 100,000. Okay, which is 542,000. 542,000. Okay, so another 30 here. Okay, so the words, the number in words, we write it in numeral like this. Okay, okay, we have thousands here, and then another part 1, and then part 2. Okay, so 542,000. Okay. Okay, next, let's write this in numeral. Okay, the numbers given in words, again in words, and we write it in numeral. So we have part 1 and then part 2. Okay, so part 1, 230,000. 230,000. Then and 15. So we don't have hundreds here, so we write 0. And 15. We have 15 for the second part. Okay, so this is number in numeral. Okay, we write number in numeral. Okay. Okay, next we will write this number in words. Okay, so first we write it as 405,000. Okay, and then we write another part 103. Okay, so I repeat again. Okay, first you write part 1, which is 400 and 405,000, and then write part 2, which is 103. Okay, kita tulis ikut part. Okay, so kat sini teacher dari tadi sebenarnya teacher dah divide the sentence, the words by 2 parts. Okay, I divide number by 2 parts. Okay, so the first part tu dia ada 1,000. And then another parts tu bahagian yang digit, 3 digit terakhir. Okay, the first 3 digits here kita ada 1,000 ni. We end at 1,000. And then kita continue dengan another 3 digit yang sebelah kanan. So that's why teacher tunjuk bila kita write in words tadi, kita write part 1 dulu. And then we write part 2. Okay. Jadi awak takkan buat mistake lah, careless mistake. Okay, last, look at this. How to say the number shown, okay, on the card. Is it 125,007? So is it correct? Or we say it as 125,000, 0 and 70. Or the last one, we say it as 125,070. So I hope you can choose which one is correct. Okay, teacher harap awak boleh pilih daripada beberapa example teacher bagi tadi. So awak dah boleh say the number correctly. Okay, say write the number in numeral and in words. Okay, correctly. Okay. Okay, so this is your exercise. You can do it in your empty one. Okay. For your exercise, or you can refer it in your textbook. Okay, for yang try this ni ada dalam textbook, tapi teacher lupa which page, so awak boleh tengok balik dalam textbook awak. Okay, lastly, let's look at success criteria. So I hope you will be able to read any number in words. Okay, kita dah buat tadi, teacher dah tunjuk macam mana nak read number in words. Okay, the first one. So teacher harap awak dah achieve the first success criteria. Yang kedua, you can say any number in numerals. So patutnya masa tengok tadi teacher sebut, so you have to say it with me, say the number. Okay, so you can say it in numerals. And the last one, write numbers in numerals and words. Okay, so you can write it in both, okay, numerals and words, dalam bentuk angka dan juga perkataan. Dan kalau awak tahu teknik perkataan yang teacher ajar tadi dalam perkataan in words tu, teacher ada part 1 and part 2. So awak takkan buat mistake. Okay, careless mistake. So biasa yang awak buat tu careless mistake lah. Okay, teacher rasa tu saja untuk kali ni. So jumpa untuk next lesson. Okay, thank you. Bye.